Hello everyone, today we're going to crochet a sunflower hair tie. You can also make it into a hair clip or brooch. It's pretty and practical. Let's take a look at how to crochet it together. The materials you'll need are Susan's Family 4-ply cotton yarn, a 2.0mm crochet hook, and a hair elastic. First, with the brown yarn, start with a magic ring. Insert the hook into the loop. Draw up a loop. Chain 1 as the beginning chain. Next, crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. Place a stitch marker on the first stitch. Crochet another 5 single crochets into the ring. Complete 6 single crochets. Pull the ring tight. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Pull the slip stitch tight. Next, we'll crochet the pistol into the front loop of the first round. That's the loop closest to us. We'll leave the back loop unworked. Place a stitch marker into the back loop of the first stitch, so it'll be easier to find later. First, slip stitch over to the front loop of the first stitch. Then, start by chaining 3. Chain back to the second chain. Insert the hook into the left side of the loop and crochet 2 slip stitches. Then slip stitch to the front loop of the next stitch. Continue by starting with 3 chains. Chain back to the second chain and slip stitch. Slip stitch to the next stitch. Then start again with 3 chains and crochet the next group. Repeat this for a total of 6 groups. The rest can be completed on your own. 6 groups completed. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch and cut the yarn, pulling the tail to the back. Next, insert the hook into the remaining back loop of the first round. Begin crocheting at the back loop of the first stitch. That's where the stitch marker was placed. First, remove the stitch marker. Insert the hook through. Take out the yarn you want to switch. Pull the new yarn through. First, make 1 chain stitch. Then, work a single crochet in the same stitch. Press down the tail of the new yarn. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Work another single crochet in the same stitch. So, work 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. Repeat this around the entire row. A total of 12 single crochets. Complete the 12 single crochets and join with a slip stitch in the first stitch. Next, work on the front loop of the previous round, the half loop that's facing us. Place a stitch marker in the back loop of the first stitch. First, make 3 chain stitches. Work 5 double crochets into the front loop of the first stitch, the one with the stitch marker. This is the position we marked earlier, the remaining half loop at the front. Complete the 5 double crochets and stretch the loop. Insert into the first double crochet stitch. Pull this loop through. This makes the DC5 popcorn stitch. Then, make 3 chain stitches. Continue working 5 double crochets into the front loop of the next stitch. Complete the 5 double crochets, stretch the loop, insert into the first double crochet stitch, and pull the loop through. Make 3 chain stitches. 2 groups are done. Continue with the next group, a total of 12 petals. You can complete this part on your own. Once all 12 petals are done, insert into the first popcorn stitch. Join with the slip stitch in that stitch. Then begin the next round. The next round will be worked into the remaining back loops. No need to cut the yarn. Start with 3 chain stitches directly. Join with a slip stitch at the marker position. Make 2 beginning chains. Work 2 double crochets in the same position. Place a stitch marker in the first double crochet stitch. Work another double crochet in the same position. In each of the next back loops, work 2 double crochets, a total of 24 double crochets in this round. Once the 24 double crochets are done, join with a slip stitch in the first stitch. Then begin crocheting the final round. This round will go through 3 chain spaces from the previous round at the same time, and insert into 1 stitch below, like this. First, pull up this loop. Pull it through the front hole before the slip stitch. Make 2 chain stitches. Next, yarn over the hook and go through this hole with a double crochet. Come out through the first stitch behind and make a double crochet. Then chain 2. Slip stitch in the same position. 1 petal is done. Now move to the next group. Join with a slip stitch into the next chain space. Skip 1 stitch on the back piece. Insert into the 3rd stitch. Go through both pieces at the same time and pull up a loop. Work 1 slip stitch. Then continue with 2 chain stitches and work 1 double crochet in the same position. Chain 2 and slip stitch back into the same stitch. 2 groups are done. Continue by joining with a slip stitch into the next hole. Skip 1 stitch below. Go through both pieces at the same time and work 1 slip stitch. Continue with the next petal group. Make 12 petals total. You can finish it on your own. 12 petals are completed. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch position and cut the yarn. Pull out the yarn tail. Pull the tail from the slip stitch position to the back and hide it. Hide it into the fabric and cut it off. Hide this tail into the flower as well. Set it aside for now. Next, let's crochet the leaves. Start with a foundation chain. First, tie a knot. Then, chain 11 to start. 11 chains are completed. Go back to the second last chain. Work 1 single crochet. Place a stitch marker on the first stitch. On the second stitch, work 1/2 double crochet. Then, in order, work 6 double crochets. Six double crochets are completed. On the next stitch, work 1/2 double crochet. Only 1 chain left. In this last chain, first work 2 single crochets. Then, chain 1. Pick up the left strand of the V below. Work a slip stitch. This creates 1 picot. In the same position, work another single crochet. Then, in the second chain, work 1/2 double crochet. Next, in order, work 6 double crochets. Six double crochets are completed. Then, work 1/2 double crochet. In the last stitch, work 1 single crochet. Finish with a slip stitch in the first stitch to break the yarn. Pull out the yarn tail. Pull the tail from the slip stitch position to the back and hide it. 1 leaf is now complete. Prepare 2 of them using the same method. Next, we'll work on the head cord. Begin with a magic ring. First, chain 1, then work 6 single crochets into the ring. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch. No need to hide it here. Six single crochets are completed. Pull the ring tight. Slip stitch in the first stitch. Next, for the second round, chain 1 first. In the first stitch, work 1 single crochet. In each of the following stitches, work 2 single crochets. Repeat around. Total of 12 single crochets. Finish with a slip stitch in the first stitch. For the next third round, work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. In the second stitch, work 2 single crochets. Work 1 single crochet, then 1 increase. Repeat this sequence for 6 groups. In the next stitch, work 1 single crochet, then add the head cord. Place the head cord underneath the fabric. Bring the hook around from the outside of the hair tie and continue crocheting. In the fourth stitch, work 2 single crochets. Continue with 1 single crochet, then 1 increase. When 3 stitches remain, bring the hair tie back in. Continue by working 2 single crochets in the next stitch. With 2 stitches remaining, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Finish with a slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 4, chain 1. Work even for 1 round without increases, crocheting 18 single crochets in total. Finish with a slip stitch and cut the yarn. Pull the yarn tail from the joining position to the back. Glue the leaf directly onto the back of the flower. If making a hair tie, attach the hair tie backing to the back. If making a hair clip or brooch, first stick a piece of non-woven fabric, then glue the piece onto the hair clip or brooch. The sunflower hair clip is now complete. Go ahead and try it out.